Hello guys and welcome. In this video we're talking about how to swap faces in Capcut. So if you want to, for example, record a video of yourself and then swap your face to some meme or some other picture, have fun and mess around, or maybe you want to create something else, that's okay. I will show you how. So guys, in the search for Capcut, we're going to search for something. So type in swap face. You can just tap on this like this and choose a template. Now, for example, let us choose some kind of template. So, for example, this first one. And as you can see, we can swap our face here. Also, we have a bunch of likes on this template. And to start using it, press on Use Template. And after that, guys, you, of course, will have to choose a video and a picture or another video that you wish to swap your face for. Okay, and after that, guys, as you can see, I have chosen two videos. And in order to swap faces, you need to choose them both, basically the original and the video you want to swap to. Choose them both. You can also press on Edit More if you wish. You will get this editor here that you can use the effects. And after you're done, press on Export. You can share it to TikTok or save the device. Also, guys, if you're looking to find another face templates, they are also available on the templates search. But in general, enjoy. If this helped you out, don't forget to help us out as well with a like and a subscription, and I'll see you in the next one.